let us discuss about what is electric field and what are the properties of electric field lines. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe the channel for next updates. Let us consider a point charge Qi placed in vacuum at the origin O. If we place another point charge which is Q at the point P, where the distance between the O to P, so it means the distances between the two charges are equal to the small r, then the charge Qi will exert a force on Q as per Coulomb's law. So already we discussed about the Coulomb's law. Here we may ask the question if it will be arises. If charge Q is removed, then what is left in the surrounding? Is there nothing? If there is nothing at the point P, then how does a force act when we place the charge Q at P? In order to answer such a questions, the early scientists introduced the concept of field. So here that is the electric field. According to this, we say that the charge Qi produces an electric field everywhere in the surrounding. So here, when another charge Q is brought at some point P in the field, there will be acts a force. So here, electric field defines as it is the region around the charge particle within which the other charges experience the force on the another. So here the electric field due to a charge Qi at a point in space may be defined as the force that a unit positive charge would experience if placed at that point. So here this is the electric field. So simply electric field means it is the experiencing force which is in the surroundings of the charge. The total surrounding is called as a electric field. Here the charge Qi which is producing the electric field is called source charge, and the charge Q which tests the effect of a source charge is called test charge. So here which is charge is the source, that is called as a source charge, and which is testing, that is called as a test charge. So here we obtain the equation E is equal to F by Q. So that's why we will write the equation of F by the Coulomb's law. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Qi by R square into R cap. By substituting this value in the first equation, we will get the final equation for the electric field. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Qi by R square into R cap. So here this is the equation for electric field. So here electric field divided as two types. One is uniform electric field, second one is the non-uniform electric field. So if you observe in the uniform electric field, at every point the force will be acts in the same intensity. But in the non-uniform electric field, the force will be varies from place to place. So in the electric field of the uniform, the force act at all points it will be equal. But in the non-uniform electric field, at every point the force is acting, it will be varies from one point to the another point. So this electric field lines follows some properties. Here first one is the electric field lines never intersects with each other. Here you are observing in the diagram, any two lines are not intersecting at any point. So here this is the first one. And second is the field is strong when the lines are close together, and it is weak when the field lines are move apart from each other. So it means field will be strong when lines gets the close. If line moves apart, then automatically it will get the weak. So here this is the second one. And third, the field lines is directly proportional to the magnitude of charge. And fourth one is the electric field lines always starts from positive charge and ends at negative charge only. So here that's why you are observing the arrow mark from positive to the negative only. So always it will be travels from positive to negative. So here this is the fourth property for the electric field lines. And next, fifth one is the line curves are continuous in a charge-free region. It will be never discontinue at any place. Always it will be starts at the positive point and it will be continuous travel and end at the negative point only. So here this is the fifth property of the electric field lines. So here this is the topic about the electric field and types of electric fields and properties of the electric field lines. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts, write your doubts in the comment box. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe the channel for next updates.